The victim. The victim never told the police that this other witness was there. Remind me, when the police arrived that date of the incident, was anybody else present in the home besides the defendant, the complainant, and what?
And Josiah were present. The defendant.
The complainant never told anybody about this witness against Andrew Stephen Siak, 25T7174451. Appearances, everybody.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Nora Holloway on behalf of the people, feet 86528.
Mayor, please the sound of court on David P592229 representing Andrew Stevens and
Your name, sir?
Andrew Stevens, aye.
All right, today is the date scheduled for trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
You ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I did email the court. I emailed Lisa. I found out after I.
When?
Today, at around 9 or 10 minutes.
It's not in today.
Yeah, I learned that after I also talked to Ms. Tucker Davis. So today was the arraignment for Brianna Pett, who's a co-defendant in this case. And with her came her friend Dakota Austin, who I spoke to and is apparently a necessary witness to this case. I had the detective. I had her go to Trenton Police Department to make a statement. And we will be sending over that video to Ms. Tucker Davis as soon as it's uploaded. So I did ask for an adjournment based off of the new information that I received literally today. I had no idea about this witness. She said that she was there, she was present at this incident on June 22nd, 2025.
Brianna Pett was arraigned today
Yes,
in front of Judge Hessen.
yes. On all the days.
And so then what? How was the witness, was this other individual, this witness on this case with Ms. Pett? Well, had nobody contacted her before?
This witness,
Yeah.
I did not even know she existed.
Was she in the police report?
No, you're wrong. I spoke to her, she was present during the incident prior to it.
Why didn't you just bring her in here today?
She went to Trenton Police Department to make a statement.
This case has been going on since the offense date was June 22nd.
I'm worried about.
October 14th, the defendant was arraigned. I mean, we're talking 4 months here. I had a preliminary exam, I threw out the felony, and then I said, I mean, what, you know, first of all, no disrespect intended, but getting you and Ms. Tucker together, honestly, is difficult. Your office is difficult. You don't have enough days, and I set aside these days, and now you're coming in here and asking me for an adjournment at the last minute. Did the police, you mean the police took reports? They interviewed the defendant, I presume. I don't remember. I don't look at police reports until there's a conviction, but they had to interview the victim. The victim never told the police that this other witness was there.
I've spoken to the complainant again. I'm just gonna double check this report. I had never heard this person's name. So. Just double check if that is something.
Remind me, when the police arrived that date of the incident, was anybody else present in the home besides the defendant?
They arrived. It says that the complainant and Andrew Syak were present.
The complainant and what?
And Andrew Syak were present. The defendant.
The complainant never told anybody about this witness? I mean, it just happened, presumably, to the extent anything happened. She wouldn't mention that somebody else was in the residence and a witness of all of this?
This other witness's name is not in this report. Your Honor.
Where's the detective? You didn't call them off, did you? You can't do that. You can't do that. You cannot do that.
I spoke to the court officer and I emailed the court. I thought it had already been adjourned. It was my mistake.
I asked my court officer to come ask you if it was going or not. And he came back with that you were going to ask for an adjournment, something about a witness. You can't tell people to go ahead and leave if the court hasn't adjourned the case.
My mistake. I misunderstood, brother.
I enjoy having you here. You're a nice lady. You're going to be a very good lawyer someday. You can't do this. How long do you need? I'm not keeping this case around here a lot longer, ladies and gentlemen. This case is who's raising their hand back here? Hey, no. Who is that?
That's the complainant, Your Honor. Shelley's agent.
What's she raising her hand for? Go find out why she's raised. Don't start talking across the courtroom, man. Go talk to the complainant, see why she's raising her hand. I'm a judge, not a teacher.
So.
Go talk to the complainant and see why she was raising her hand.
She just wanted to make sure, the officer said to make sure that the judge knew she was here. She just wanted to make sure she was here. In terms of an adjournment, again, we have what I believe the statement should be completed by now, and the video should be being uploaded soon.
Well, maybe if somebody would have talked to her and asked the right questions, that people would have known this, and maybe, just maybe, it would have helped out your felony count. I don't know that it would have or not. What is your position?
My position is that I have not seen, this is, but just known the last couple hours that this witness exists, according to the prosecutor, and it would be unfair to intercede, but proceed and even question the complaint without knowing other circumstances of his day.
I don't disagree with that. I don't know why you're not entitled to a dismissal, though.
I wouldn't think they're going to prepare to proceed today.
Yeah, that log on, Jim. Can't have it log in. Or if she's not here, Amy. Holloway,
Yes.
please don't ever assume I'm going to do something that you're asking me to do, whether it's for an adjournment or anything else, okay?
I understand.
I mean, I agree that I would not have allowed this to go forth if they wanted to call this witness without you having a copy of a video or a statement. I just can't understand why, when the complainant was there and the defendant was there, that it wouldn't have come out, especially through the complainant, that there was a witness there. Heather, I need a
Yes.
date in a couple weeks, and I'm not going to be patient about us delaying this much longer. What do I have in terms of a Tuesday?
Okay, which case is this for, Judge?
This is on SEAC, the trial this afternoon, then I rushed back.
Okay. All right, so a couple weeks out on a Tuesday. You are off on the 10th, so that would put us to the 17th next. Let's
Is
see.
there any reason why anybody can't do this on March 17th?
That works for me, Your Honor.
That works for me also.
So, let's see. Does look like you have an afternoon civil docket on the 17th, though.
Nice, nice. Well, I'll have to get through it. We're starting promptly at 1 p.m. Just tell Jennifer that's what I'm doing. Prosecutor to produce video of witness, what's her last name?
Austin.
Of witness Austin's video to defense by 2/27. Case will go March 17th at 1 p.m. Remember, also you have to get acquiescence. There has to be a stip in order. And then I've got to approve it, okay? That's all I'll say about it. Have a good day. We'll see everybody on the 17th at 1. You're going to get her the video by Raya Renee Adkins, 25B149-889 A and B. And I need Maya Bailey seated at the table up here too, please. Or is she on Zoom? Ma'am, your name?
Mariah Adams.
All right. Why are you walking in here today? Because you had a show cause. Why didn't you show up in October and talk to us? Yep. You've made this a lot worse. How much do you have today? Where do you work?
I don't have a job right now. I'm caretaking for a family member.
Okay.
I was door dashing until I lost it.
On the B file, Heather, I'm gonna have her pay 100 now. Then tell me how much you can afford to pay per week or week bi-weekly, whatever the case is.
I could do 50 bi-weekly.
Then 50 bi-weekly beginning March the 16th. Okay? I'll reduce your balance to 225 plus clearance fee is still going to be owed. So you'll owe 125 plus your clearance fee on this no proof of insurance charge. All right. And then on the other case, the invalid plate, just, that's file A. Heather, balance reduced. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm trying to understand here. Balance reduced to 160. Pay 50 bi-weekly on this after the payments made on the no proof. Okay, do you understand everything?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you. You did the right thing at least walking in here today on the show cause. Have a good day. Bailey, is Bailey in here?
She was, or she was talking to the prosecutor.
What in the world is going on here? I don't know why she didn't. Can you check out in the hallway, John, and ask her? Or I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna. Is Maya Bailey around?
She was.
I'm gonna just ask her. I'm gonna need Maya Bailey in here for this dismissal.
Bailey, okay, I will sign off, please.
Thanks. Fioretti, Anthony Joseph Fioretti, 26G306834. Your name, sir?
Anthony Joseph.
You're charged with operating while intoxicated. You have the right to an attorney. Actually, you're charged with super drunk. You have the right to a lawyer. If you would like one, I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Would you like a lawyer?
Yes, I would, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to give you a lawyer. This is with Gibraltar, and you'll come back then. All right, go out in the hallway and he'll set you up. Maya Nicole Bailey, 25G306372B. All right, ma'am, your name? How we doing today? Not too bad. All right. So this was taken under a statute. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear. You're right. You solemnly swear or affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you will give in these proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God. You came in here with a Minnie Mouse shirt?
Yeah. Today's laundry day.
Today's laundry day? You been in any trouble since you came in here on July 31 of 25? You don't have any other cases pending? All right. No more of this, okay? You seem like a nice kid. I'll dismiss it on motion. The prosecutor, you're compliant. You went through probation. Everything's up to par. Good luck.
Thank you.
Stay out of here. Good luck. Kyle Ellis. Kyle Alexander Ellis, 25B149548 A and B. Good morning. Your name?
Kyle Ellis.
So you have a show cause on file B for failure to show up. Where you been?
So the night before the show cause,
No, I just want to know why you didn't show up.
a death in the family. A death in the family.
I'm sorry about your loss, but this ticket was issued in October. You didn't show up October 22. You didn't show up November 5, and now the calendar says February 26 to 26. You're not going to do this. You're not going to be one of these guys, are you?
No, I promise you, Judge. No, I won't. I was just going through a lot. I promise you, I won't.
You have the right to a lawyer. You're charged with driving on a suspended and failure to pay on a defective equipment. I'll be happy to provide you with a lawyer at public expense if you would want one. You want one?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and give you this, okay?
Okay.
Arena.
Judge, this is a Brownstown case.
Oh,
His misdemeanor was in warrant status.
nice.
So just his civil infraction was on the docket today, so there should, I put a sticky note on the front with the date.
All right, I got it. I see what's going on. I'm sorry, Heather. All right. I'm so used to these show causes.
Okay.
I can get you a lawyer for an arraignment.
Okay.
If you want.
Yes.
Just listen. It's just gonna take a while. Or I can arraign you. I'm gonna give you a personal bond. I'll schedule this for a court date and we'll go from there. It's up to you.
We could just do that, Your Honor.
On October 1 of 25, it is alleged that you did operate a motor vehicle with a suspended license in the township of Brownstown. Specifically, they think you're operating that vehicle on I-75 near Sibley at 12:37 in the morning. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs are all those 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign an advice of rights and read it and understand it here today?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You guys think I'm funny or what? Or you're just laughing?
I'm sorry, I've given her a hard time about making a shirt.
All right. So I'm going to enter in. Do you understand all your rights?
Yes, all right.
Do you understand to be able to plead guilty? You're giving up those rights.
Yes.
I'm entering a not guilty plea, $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I want Heather, do you have the money to pay the defective? I'll tell you what, I'll just set this over to. How's that? And I think I'm setting this for March the 19th at 10:30, right, Heather?
Correct, Judge.
March the 19th at 10:30. So you're gonna go down the hall. You're gonna get your court date. You can come back with some money on March the 19th if you can, so you could take care of that. I'd suggest you move toward, and I'm not gonna talk about it, but you want to have a valid license if possible when you come back. If you want a lawyer going forward, though, you're gonna have to fill out a petition for one, okay?
Yes.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
Where?
I paint with my cousin. His
All right.
paint.
Okay. Well, if you want a lawyer and you don't think you can afford one, my court officer will hand you a petition and you will, you'll fill that out and then hand it back and then go down the hall and get your notice, okay?
Yes.
All right, best of luck.
Thank you.
You want a lawyer? You want a lawyer? You petition? Audra Lynn Mondelli, 25G306407A. Good morning, Ms. Mondelli. Your name? All right, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you will give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got. Since you were in court on July 17 of 25, have you been arrested? Any new charges? You don't have any other cases pending?
No.
Congratulations to you. Case dismissed.
Thank you.
Motion of the prosecutor. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We'll send you both the discharges. Thank you. Godfrey. Richard J. Godfrey. John, why don't you hand that to me? Hand that to me. Richard J. Godfrey, 25F244515. How you doing, Mr. Godfrey?
Good, how are you, Your Honor?
Not bad. It hasn't been that long since I've seen you. September, is it? You had something else in front of me, right?
I'm sorry?
Didn't you have something else in front of me since September?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Okay, I haven't seen you on a violation or anything?
No, sir.
Okay, all right. Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got.
Well,
I'm sorry, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give in these proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God?
yes, sir.
All right. Since you were in court and I sentenced you under 771.1 on September 4 of 25, have you been arrested?
No, sir.
Any new charges?
No,
Any other contact with the police since then?
no.
Congratulations, Mr. Godfrey. Case dismissed. Are you doing better?
Yes, sir.
You're the one that I remember wasn't I talking about having a problem?
Yes, sir.
You still drinking?
No, sir.
You gonna stay off it then?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yeah, some days are a struggle, but I'm not going back. This is the first time I've been to court in my life.
Well, that's
Probation.
good. I'm dismissing your case. Congratulations. Good luck. We'll send you
Thank
the
you, Your
discharge.
Honor.
Have a great day.
Do I need to see anybody?
Nope, we'll send you the discharge paperwork.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Good luck. Volins, Heather Ann Volins. 260-647-410 A and B. Come on up here, man. How are you?
Well,
Your name?
My name is Heather Ann Rollins.
Good morning to you. I have A, B, and C. Drive while suspend is count 3. You have an expired plate and no proof of insurance, and you have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I will give you one. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and arraign you and send you to the prosecutor.
So I corrected everything, so should I get a lawyer or?
I mean, it's up to you. You certainly,
Mistakes, I was aware of 2 out of the 3. So
you're probably gonna make it out okay, but if you want a lawyer, I'll give you one.
I'll take a lawyer just in case.
Okay, just relax.
I'm nervous, sorry.
So am I. I'm nervous every day here. All right, I'm just kidding. Just relax. Everything's gonna work out, okay? Good luck. He'll take, you go sit out in the hall. He will take the file out there
Thank you, sir.
and you'll be set up with a lawyer. Thanks. On Pierce, Sean. How you doing?
Good.
Well, we're off the record, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I gotta hit you off the record.
So this is a continuance of the other one I had used.
Right.
Yeah, it's just a different email that I was able to locate, speaking with Zoom. So it's just asking for the same information, but from the title holder of the company for that, email. So it's essentially the same. Same way.
Swear to me. I'm just trying to investigation out of it.
I do.
Go ahead and sign it. Oh, you can sign it right there if you want. Here. And else. Trainell Raymonte Williams, 26T647664A and B. Come on up to the podium, please. Mr. Williams, your name?
Well,
You're charged with driving on a suspended and speeding. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will provide you with one. Would you like a lawyer? Okay, I'll go ahead and arraign you then. And I'm gonna send you the prosecutor. It is alleged that on February the 2nd of 26, that you did operate a motor vehicle in the city of Trenton, County of Wayne at approximately 7:07 a.m. on Fort near Dunlop. That is a misdemeanor driving on a suspended, punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs, or all those in 2 points. Do you understand that? You got to keep your voice up.
yes, sir, I'm sorry.
That's all right. You also have a speeding charge at 6 to 10 over. That would be 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But you'd only get the higher of the 2 point totals. If you're convicted of both, it'll be 2 points, not 4. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Sir, I just don't want to like go to jail. It's my first time.
I don't think you're going to go to jail, but I'll be glad.
It's my first time in court.
It's fine. You want a lawyer now? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to apologize. $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. $500 personal bond. You don't have to post any money, but those are your bond conditions, okay? And you go out in the hall. He's going to bring the file out. He's going to set that up with the prosecutor, and we will go from there. Any questions?
Yes, sir. I don't understand what's going on.
Okay. Your lawyer, we're gonna put you a lawyer. So you're gonna go out in the hall. My court officer is going to give the file to the lawyer. The lawyer will call you in to talk to you. I don't know who we had on the Trenton docket today, but then the lawyer will go in and negotiate for you with the prosecutor. And then you come back out here. Either way, you're coming back into court with your lawyer before you leave to. Do you understand all that?
Yes, sir.
Have I clarified things?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can go right out in the hallway and we will see you back here. Good luck.
Appreciate that.
My kids today. Skis. Yeah, what that's.
I'm gonna tell you, Dave, got the call people sometime.
Gonna get him out of the house.
He doesn't get out of the house.
Yeah, well, I was just watching my kids.
You'd be surprised.
Or he's seeing like Bobby here when those guys in the weather they go up there, still go hunting and stuff like that occasionally.
Tell you what, you get older and these frigid temperatures, I basically hibernate. Go to work, come home, start a fire, get up and do it the next day. Take it down.
Thank you, Joe.
Good to see you. Take
Appreciate
care.
it. See.
Bye now. What's your name, sir?
Joseph Zuko?
Did you check in with my court officer?
Yeah.
Do you have him on the docket, Suzuko?
Yeah, pre-trial, so probably someone has this.
Do you have a lawyer?
No.
Makes it files.
So you checked in with my court officer here? Oh, you did? Okay. Is your case from Trenton or Gibraltar? Okay. Go bring the file in and I'll get you out of here, okay? Thank you. Good morning. Of all the hotshot lawyers here today. Nice to see,
I thought, that's what I thought.
nice to see you.
I didn't see what the Irish American order is,
Last night?
yeah. Judge Page asked me to come and I went. And you know something, I had a real good time.
Did Mr. Zelnick go too?
Pardon?
Did Mr. Zelnick go too?
Yes. Zelnick was there, Judge, Giroux.
Yeah,
I know it's tough to get out.
it is. I just, in the winter, I'm just hibernate.
Sometimes you force yourself to come out. And the company itself just keeps you anxious for a while.
I know, I get it. I get it. Next time,
Okay,
next time.
so I got a hot one for you. And really these things.
How you been doing?
I've been doing okay.
Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Okay, people against Fioriti, Anthony Joseph Fioriti, 26G306834. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, James Schloff, 30720, on behalf of Mr. Fiore.
Mr. Fioretti, your name?
Anthony Joseph Fiorelli.
All right, so we have a super drunk charge here.
And suffering arraignment in pre-trial. For the arraignment, Your Honor, he waives the formal reading of the warrant and stands to you.
I'll enter a not guilty plea. Counsel, let me give you a heads up. The citation says he had single vehicle crash, 0.367. Now, I don't want you to admit that or not admit that, young man.
Yes, sir. That's why, one of the reasons why we're gonna need the discovery. Am I gonna continue on the case? We're gonna schedule it on 9 days.
Yeah, I think so, right? Does he continue on this? Yes. Yeah, you're gonna be the one, but I'm going to make a suggestion here. If you give me 1 second, I just want to see if this was,
I don't.
he was never printed on this case, which is understandable. They probably took him to the hospital. Sir, I don't want you to say anything right now.
Yes, sir.
Um,
They obtained a warrant for a blood draw.
Yeah, it looks like it. Blood results 367. I'm sure they got a search warrant from one of us. He's got a prior. I don't want you to say anything. I don't even want you to admit that you were drinking right now, Mr. Fioretti. Do we understand one another?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Just let me fill out this paperwork here if you give me a second.
Yes, ma'am.
A lot of paperwork always. Okay, he's got a prior. Let me just be candid with you. If he doesn't get in sobriety court when he's got a prior and under 367, he is not acquitted. He is very likely going to jail. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand fully.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm signing your order for discovery. Where do you work at, sir? Where does he work at, counsel? Can you tell me?
Yeah, it's West Jefferson Bar and Grill. I do have a paperwork for employment in good standing.
Well, I'm not excited about you working at a bar.
We spoke about that. He's been attending a program
Under the guidance center.
under the South, yeah.
And Your Honor, from me, the managers at my work are familiar with my circumstances. Drinking is not an option at that place of employment.
Say that again.
Drinking is not an option there at my place of employment, and
He wishes to keep his job, and there's not going to be any repetition of drinking. He's in treatment. And
And where are you in treatment at?
the guidance center,
How many times you go in for treatment?
I go there weekly. I meet with Mr. Ford, though.
and there's other issues that are being addressed as well.
All right, just give me 1 second, guys.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
I'm really concerned about this. How old are you?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
How old are you? I'm gonna give you a $2,500 personal bond very reluctantly. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no marijuana, No illegal drugs. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. You're going to AA 4 times a week or any combination of treatment and AA.
Okay.
The AA will be in person. AA will be in person. Obviously, you're treating in person. You have to go to the Gibraltar Police Department, be fingerprinted and photographed by today at 1 p.m. By 1 p.m. today, February the 26th. You also have to be on a SoberLink device by the end of the day. I'm not threatening anybody. I'm just telling you the way it is. You need to get in my sobriety if you're guilty of this. Okay? Got it?
I understand.
That's,
As for the sober.
you know what's happened? Some of these blood and breath results now, I mean, it just seems like COVID. I just see some of these are crazy. My first 30 years of being a lawyer, I didn't see one that high, I don't think. And now all of a sudden I get these all the time. I shouldn't say all the time, but a lot more than I should. You could be dead with a 3.8. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you a new court date. And Heather, Mr. Schloff will still be on this case, right?
I'm just asking that you put it on.
That's correct, Judge.
Yeah, good. I want to have a good lawyer. What day are we doing this?
We will be doing this on March 26th at 9:30.
At 9:30.
Next week.
I have a court to school program, so you don't need to rush here that day.
May I ask where he goes for the sober link?
Yes, probation will tell him he's gonna go out to Macomb County. That's the closest. That's what we deal with.
So he'll get directions from your probation department.
Correct.
And
He's gonna go down the hall, get his notice. We're gonna hand him an AA sheet. And he's gonna get his order for prints down the hall. Actually, they're gonna email them over to Gibraltar. He's gonna have to go over there and get fingerprinted and photographed before he leaves here. He's going to go to probation. They're gonna explain to him about the sober link. It's a machine you have to blow in 5 times a day. So I hope you're done drinking.
Yes.
Good
Yes,
luck.
all right.
That's it. Shh. That's it. Good luck. And did I answer your effect? Did I answer all your questions?
he does have a tether on.
What kind of tub?
An alcohol tether.
Where'd you get that at?
Monroe County.
You got another one going on in Monroe?
No, it's, this was per my request. It's a case being dismissed. And I had asked, the day after this incident, I had asked the probation officer to put me on this.
Explain all of that to
I was about to say,
probation, and I don't care. I'm gonna say SoberLink or Scram Tether, but I want to make sure that we're gonna have the information here.
my fears are with the tether, the case is being dismissed.
Yeah, I know.
No order for them to proceed with the tether.
I got it. So I still think SoberLink.
If I may, the earliest
I'm
that would be dismissed is April 6th.
Tell probation all that. I'm gonna let them get into that with you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Mr. Schluff.
Yes, Judge.
Good luck.
I have some others, yeah. I want to talk about that.
Bray, Kevin Allen Bray. 260-647-721A and B. Good morning, Mr. Neese.
Morning, Your Honor. Lawrence Neese appearing on behalf of the defendant Kevin Bray, who is present to my right.
Sir, your name?
Kevin Bray.
All right, so this is the date scheduled for arraignment and pretrial and for purposes of arraignment.
Stand muted, Your Honor.
All right, I'll enter not guilty, please. So now he's going to plead to allowing unlicensed driver to drive and improper lane use. That's the civil infraction B file. And then the suspend will be dismissed. True?
Correct, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
If you, what's that?
Responsible, sorry.
No, just slow down.
Okay.
Is that what you want to do, is plead responsible to the civil infraction, plead guilty to allowing unlicensed driver to drive, the suspend to be dismissed? All right, if you plead to allowing unlicensed driver to drive, that's a 0-point violation. It's punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail costs, or all those. It's not reportable to the Secretary of State. If you plead to improper lane use, that's a 2-point civil infraction. Do you understand?
Yes,
Did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here today?
I did.
If you plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, you'll be giving us rights and advice of rights, and we will not have a trial. Do you understand that?
I do.
All right. Any questions before I ask you how you plead?
No, thanks.
To the charge allowing unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Yep.
On the 4th of February of 26 at 6:34 in the morning, were you in control of a 2012 Ford that was being operated on Fortner, King, and Trent?
No. Yes, sorry.
He's nervous.
I'm really nervous.
I'll slow down. I'm sorry. Were you in control of that vehicle? Were you driving that vehicle on that date, that time, and that location? And was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
And you knew that, right?
That's where it's tricky, Your Honor. He didn't really know.
Did not. I found out through that.
All right. Well, I don't think that this is not a specific intent crime anyways. He's revoked. How did you not know you were revoked?
Your Honor, he completed your sobriety court program in about 2016, 2017. He's had an interlock device on his vehicle ever since. There was apparently a power outage where there was a violation that he was unaware of. And he's been driving ever since with the machine still on and complying. And it wasn't until recently when he got pulled over for this that he became aware of it and hasn't driven since. And that's what we're trying to.
What? It was 10 years that was ago, right?
Yeah.
I'm surprised I don't remember you.
I remember you. 2 years ago.
Sobriety strong, he's doing well.
All right.
He's doing well.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
no.
All right. Now, into the charge improper lane use, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept those pleas to improper lane use and allowing unlicensed driver to drive. And I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the suspend charge, suspend, revoke, deny. All right, what do you want to say?
Your Honor, just that, again, he was unaware that he was revoked. He's a graduate of the sobriety court program. Proud to say that he's maintained his sobriety.
Is that right? Are you telling me the truth? You haven't drank anything since you graduated?
I've been doing very well.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
No, and he's complied. He's got the breathalyzer machine still on there, and it was a complete surprise. And I've dealt with these before. They'll send you a violation letter in the mail. Apparently he didn't get it. If you don't respond, then you're revoked, and that's the end of it. They don't send you another notice. And I think unfortunately for him, that's what occurred.
I think around that time, I actually was moving back in with my parents because they both have heart conditions, and I'm still there.
I remember you, Mr. Gray.
Yes.
You lost a little bit of your hair.
I didn't have hair back then.
Didn't you?
About exactly the same hairdo, so.
All right. Anything else?
That's all.
Anything else? 100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights. $50 justice assessment, $325 for 60 days and $160 on the improper lane use. $485. Can you pay all that or
I got it.
go down the hall, take care of that? Best of luck.
Thank you.
I'd like to say good to see you, but not really in here.
Right.
Have a good day.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
A courtroom hearing took an unexpected turn when a defendant who had already pleaded guilty suddenly suggested he didn't commit the crimes. The judge immediately stopped the proceedings and began questioning him. Confused by the change in story, the judge reminded him that guilty pleas are based on facts admitted under oath. Then came the powerful moment that silenced the courtroom. You don't come in and plead to things if they're not true. The judge made it clear that the justice system cannot accept guilty pleas from people claiming innocence afterward. Sentencing was postponed, and the defendant was ordered to speak with his attorney again.